This might be the most profitable online business in Nigeria right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. But you trust a girl, she will drop the tea. See, some Nigerians are making over 1 million naira. What am I saying? Over 5 million naira a month just by selling simple online courses. And no, you do not need to be a teacher, you do not need fancy equipment, and you don't even need a huge following. The best part, once you set it up, it keeps making money for you on autopilot. Today, I will show you step by step how to create and sell your own course, even if you have zero experience. And if you still watch to the end, I will share a secret marketing trick that would make sure your course actually sells out fast. Are you ready? Let's get started. Right now, the e-learning industry is exploding. See, people are paying for knowledge every single day. So whether it is learning how to start a business, how to edit videos, how to trade forex, how to trade crypto, or even bake cakes, or even editing videos, there's a course for everything. And guess what? Nigerians are already cashing in on this technique. I am going to mention a few online content creators that are already key in to this hustle, even if they are content creators or they are influencers, but they have seen that selling courses is in fact a faster way to make money. For example, there is one Victoire. I don't know if you guys have heard of her. She has a huge following, about 130k on TikTok. She's also on Instagram. She basically shares lifestyle and beauty content, but she has successfully monetized her expertise through digital products and collaboration. She turned her knowledge into cash. She's currently doing or selling a course, and she said over 900 people register for that course. Now imagine that course is sold for 20,000 naira. 900 times 20,000 naira. Do the maths. Then there is Adeife Adeoye. She's a YouTuber and also a content creator. She's also the founder of Remote Worker. Yeah, she has built a huge following online. Now, aside from the whole remote thing that she does, she is currently doing a 30 days challenge. In fact, funny enough, it's not exactly a course, but she said it's like I would call it a digital course per se, or maybe a mentorship program is the best word. And she charged people for this. Now, she mentioned that her class is so full that she has over 9,000 people. There was a screenshot because it was a Telegram group. 9,000 people that paid, I think it was around 10,000 naira per head, or I think at first it was 7k and then she increased it to 10,000 naira. Please, you should help me to do this math. Hey, is this not serious money that she's making? Serious money, aside from her company, aside from her content creation, aside from her influencing job. She decided to digitalize her knowledge, and she called it the 30 days challenge with Adeife Adeoye, and people jumped on it. 9,000 people. I'm sure by now it should have gotten to 10,000 people, and each of them must have paid nothing less than 7,000 naira. Please, 7,000 times 9,000. How much is that? I'm sure you are already salivating, right? One more person. I like to bring you the real gist. One more person who is also monetizing her knowledge is Simi Sion. She's killing it. She's a brand influencer. She's a content creator. She has built a personal brand. Aside from PR work she does and the hosting work she does, she started selling digital products to her audience, and she is making mad money. I think she sells a course on how to edit, and the course is around 10,000 naira. Now imagine if 500, 1,000 people register for this course and they pay. Not just they register, they actually pay the 10,000 naira. 500 times 10,000. What's that? Or in fact, like I said, when you set it up, it just keeps making money for you. You can only update the cost and increase your price, and then you can keep selling to different people, market in different ways. But like I said, I'll show you a secret marketing tool that you can use. Now, these people started from scratch just like you. Okay, so I don't want you to feel like, oh, these people are big people on the internet. If they can do it, so can you. They didn't wake up one day and started with 100k followers or 500k followers. They started from scratch. I remember very well when Victoire and Adeoye started on Instagram. They started really small, I remember, but right now they are no longer small, they are big. Okay, so you can do it. All right. By the way, if you are getting value, hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on more money making tips. Now, the biggest mistake people make is that they create courses that nobody wants. And here's how to find a profitable course that you can start and you make money immediately. The first thing you want to do is to go on Google Trends and search for topics like mini importation or forex trading or crypto to see what is trending. Yeah. Then you can also go to udemy.com, udemy.com, and check which courses have thousands of students. If people are paying, it means the demand is there. Now, the third step is to use ChatGPT. Just type, give me 10 profitable online courses for Nigerians, and it will generate great ideas for you. For example, right now, AI tools like ChatGPT are trending. So imagine creating a simple course on how to make money with AI in Nigeria. Boom, people will buy it. So I want to know your idea or what you have in mind here. I want to know in the comments below, what is one skill you have that you think you can turn into a course? Let me know in the comments below. Now, the beautiful thing about this idea is for you to create this course, you do not need a camera. You can use Canva, you can use OBS, you can use 11 Labs. You can basically just use tools that are at your disposal. Yeah. Let's say you want to create a course now. You just need Canva. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a camera. Here is the fastest way. Just go on Canva, create slides. Or if you want to screen record your video, your phone rather, you can use OBS Studio. And then if you want to talk and you don't want to use your voice, you are not sure on how your voice sounds, you can use 11 Labs AI voice to narrate for you. Simple. Another thing you should note is that your course should be simple. Just 4 simple steps. Introduction, that is what they will learn. The step-by-step lesson, you show them exactly what to do. And then give them extra value, like a bonus tip kind of thing, so that they'll feel like they have cheated you. Do you get? And then call to action. Tell them what to do next. It could be maybe they should buy your masterclass. It could be they should buy your next course. It could be joining a group, a support group. Once your course is ready, let's sell it. Now, where do you sell your courses? Udemy, yes. That same Udemy you went to do research on, you sell there. Udemy.com is a great place for passive income because Udemy does the marketing for you. The second place you can sell is selar.co.co. selar.co. It's perfect for Nigerians. You can price in Naira and accept bank transfers. And funny enough, they can actually buy your courses all over the world on selar.com. The third place is teachable.com. It's actually best for high ticket courses. You know those courses where you be seeing they're selling 350k, 200k, 500k. This is the platform for those courses. The fourth place, which is a 2-in-1, is WhatsApp and Telegram. If you have a small audience, just sell directly on WhatsApp groups, or you can create a Telegram group to get your audience together and drop the course there. Didn't I also mention that your digital course does not necessarily have to be something techy? It could be something as simple as how to make liquid soap, how to make body cream, how to make sunscreen, how to bake, as simple as that, how to cook jollof rice. There are people out there who are looking for this information. But before you create a course, remember the steps I told you to take. Do your research. Do not say, oh, I have this knowledge, let me do it. I'm sorry, you're the only one that will read that course, or you're the only one that will buy that course. So do your research to find out what is in demand before creating the course. Another thing you can do is to use YouTube to give free value and link to your course. So like I'm talking now, I'm speaking about this, you can decide to have a course, a link to your course in your description box. Thereby people feel more enthusiastic, people feel more relaxed. When you give free value, that way you are dragging them to get the paid value. Yeah. Secondly, you can run cheap Facebook, Instagram ads. Don't bother yourself. It does not have to be expensive. You can use WhatsApp status and Telegram groups like I mentioned earlier, or you can do affiliate marketing. So all of these things I mentioned, trust me, they do not take a lot of money. Your YouTube channel is free. Yes, you create free videos related to your course, and in the description you want the free training, click here. That's it. For Facebook and Instagram ads, you do not need millions. You can start with as little as 5,000 naira and you make your money. WhatsApp, It's free. You can post on your status daily. If 100 people see your status, 5 can buy. You can also beg people, beg family, friends to help you post about your course on their status as well. Let's say 5 people buy a course of 10,000 naira. That's 50,000 naira, just like that. Yeah. And if you look at it, you really did not use money to make those courses. Do you get my point? Do you get my point? Now, another way you can get buyers is through affiliate marketing. You can tell influencers, sell my course and you keep 40% of every sales. They will market it for you for free. Now, here's the secret marketing trick I promised you. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Right now, short videos are blowing up. I promise you, they are blowing up. TikTok, you don't even need to run ads. You just post a video and you'll be surprised with, like, you'll be shocked at how much number of people can view that post. You see 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, and the more eyes you get on that video, the more money you make. So just record short tips from your course here, post them, and direct people to your full course. This is the fastest way you can get sales for free. Yes, I promise you, Instagram Reels and TikTok Reels, you do not want to sleep on it. So if you found this very helpful, you found value in this video, click that like button, hit that subscribe button for more money making tips. And don't forget to drop a comment. I actually do reply. If you have questions, please drop them in the comments as well. Until next time, stay safe and continue hustling and making that money. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.